But the fact that we're all here in this stadium, all sharing one mind, and to be comfortable with each other, I think that's all that matters. And I just wish that, because everyone here is sharing the same positivity with us. If you guys felt horrible yesterday or the day before, but if you guys can let it out today and feel good and leave the stadium, that's all that matters. So I'm just really glad that you guys find this place to be a place where you can let out all your stress, let out all your worries. Don't give up. Don't care about anything. And just really, be yourselves. That's all that matters to Stray Kids, right? So once again, thank you so much for coming to the show. And we promise that we will be back here in LA. I feel like we should take a photo if that's cool with you guys. Are you guys down? Sweet, let's go.